In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 PDF. We'll walk through the essentials of using MetaTrader 5 on Windows so you can install it, log in, understand the layout, place trades with confidence, and manage your risk like a pro. MetaTrader 5, often called MT5, is a powerful trading platform used for markets like Forex, gold, major indices, and with some brokers, crypto. It's designed to help you analyze charts, place trades, and set risk controls such as stop loss and take profit. Think of it as your trading workspace where decisions and execution happen in one place. To get started, download MT5 from your broker or directly from MetaQuotes. Run the installer, click Next, then Install, and open the platform. If Windows asks for permissions, approve them. Installing from your broker can make logging in easier later because the correct servers are preloaded. To log in, go to File, then Log in to Trade Account. Enter your login number, your password, and the server name your broker provided. Make sure you pick the right server for either a demo or a live account. If you can't connect, double-check the server and your credentials and ensure Caps Lock isn't on. Once you're in, you'll see the main layout. Market Watch lists tradable symbols and their prices. The chart window shows price movement, usually as candlesticks. Navigator holds your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. The terminal at the bottom displays open trades, balance, exposure, and trade history. You can drag a symbol from Market Watch onto a chart to open it and switch timeframes to suit your analysis. To place a trade, press F9 or right-click the chart and choose New Order. Set your volume, which is the lot size, choose Buy or Sell, and add your stop loss and take profit before you execute. A market order places the trade immediately, while a pending order schedules it at a future price. Always double-check your lot size and the spread before clicking. Stop loss defines your maximum acceptable loss, and take profit locks in your target. For example, if you buy EURUSD at 1.1000, you might set a stop loss at 1.0950 and a take profit at 1.100. You can later drag these levels directly on the chart to adjust them. To close a trade, open the terminal, go to the Trade tab, right-click the open position, and select Close Order. You can also do a partial close by adjusting the closing volume. To add indicators, click Insert, then Indicators, and choose tools like Moving Average, RSI, or MACD. Keep settings simple at first and avoid cluttering your chart. You can enable one-click trading from the top left of the chart. After confirming the notice, Buy and Sell buttons appear for instant execution. Use this only when you're comfortable with fast entries. Finally, manage risk carefully. Risk just 1 to 2% per trade, always use a stop loss, avoid overtrading, and begin on a demo account to build consistency before going live.